Hello, my name is John Miller. I'm the Marketing Director here at Fifth Gear Automotive. Fifth Gear Automotive specializes in automotive services and repairs. We work on all makes and models, both domestic and imports, specializing in German auto repair. That includes Porsches, Mercedes, BMW, Audi, and VWs. But we also work on other models, English ones like Jaguars and Land Rovers, Swedish versions like Volvos and Saabs, and just about any Asian cars like Kias, Hyundais, and Hondas. We're located at 1975 Archer Way. It's just north of 407 at the crossroads of Louisville, Highland Village, and Flower Mound. And we've been serving the southern Denton County area here and the surrounding communities since 2004, providing best-in-class, dealer-like services at independent prices, because we are an independent shop, not a chain. Our entire team here at Fifth Gear has one very simple goal: complete customer satisfaction on all your auto repairs.
My name is Philip Marshall. I'm a Fifth Gear Service Advisor. We specialize in European auto repairs, but we work on all makes and models.
Hi, I'm Brian Bruner, the Lead Service Advisor at Fifth Gear Automotive, and I'd like to take a minute to tell you about our best-in-class service. We have some of the greatest customers, and we enjoy working hard for them. I'd invite you to check out our Google reviews at 4.9, or maybe even our Facebook at 4.8, and read some of the 330 plus reviews from our great customers.
Hi, my name is Megan Martin, and I am the Manager of First Impressions here at Fifth Gear Automotive, and I just want to be here today to tell you about our free concierge service, which includes free pickup and delivery of you and your vehicle throughout southern Denton County.
Hi, my name is Tim Edwards. I'm the shop foreman at Fifth Gear Automotive, and I'd like to tell you about our 7 ASE certified technicians with over 100 years of experience and knowing what it takes to get your repairs done right the first time.
Hello, my name is Ricky Jordan. I'm the General Manager of Fifth Gear Automotive. Myself, my father, Rick Jordan, and Bill Burnick all started the business together. We're a family-owned operation that has been serving the Louisville area and the surrounding communities since 2004.
Again, our team here at Fifth Gear has one very simple goal: complete customer satisfaction on all your auto repair needs. Come in and meet the Fifth Gear Automotive team and experience the best automotive repair service in southern Denton County, maybe in all of DFW. Thank you.